Welcome. Today, we're going to explore the word regularly. Understanding this word is like unlocking a secret to express how things happen in a consistent way. So let's dive in and learn how to use regularly in sentences to describe actions that occur with a pattern. 75% regularly. The word regularly means something happens consistently or with a pattern. It is typically placed before the main verb. For example, they regularly go for a jog in the morning. She regularly attends yoga classes. And there you have it. Now you know how to use regularly to talk about actions that happen consistently or with a pattern. Practice using it in your own sentences to express routine activities effortlessly. Keep learning and improving your English skills. See you in the next video.